Welcome once again to Unboxing Unscripted Unfiltered. And as always, this video is brought to you by Kunuku Coffee Roasters, the best handcrafted roasted coffee in the whole wide universe. One unknown historian once told me that there is one thing in common with the French Revolution, the fall of the Roman Empire, and the creation of Facebook. You know what that is? It's coffee. Now, don't look up which historian that is, but nevertheless, believe me when I tell you that having coffee in the morning makes a whole lot of difference. And Kunuku Coffee Roasters is here to help you out with that. Now, what you're laughing at? Go to your room, okay? We have another unboxing here. I don't even know if I'm going to review this watch because I've already reviewed this watch before, but this time around, this is my copy of the watch, and it's coming from our dear friends from Viqueria. Okay, now just to explain to you guys, many of the watches that come to this channel, they're not for the channel to keep. Sometimes I need to send them back, right? That's just how it is. But some of them promise to give me a production copy of those watches, and this is one of them. Viqueria was gracious enough to even allow me to pick my own version that is different from the one that I unboxed, and I did that. So we're unboxing this one. This is especially for us. Ooh, look at that! That Viqueria transparent paper right here, and we also have our personalized greetings and appreciation here. Grazie from Omar and Nicolo. I usually deal with Nicolo on these things, and you could see there a little bit of a sneak peek of what we're going to unbox today. So there, put it on the side. Ooh, so many things. Last time I remember, there's even coffee here. Okay, well, there's no coffee in there, or not coffee, candy. That's what I meant. Okay, no candy nor chocolate this time around on the box. In the box. Unwrap this. Oh, okay. So this is new. So instead of coffee, they even gave us a very nice and handy pen. So I'm actually gonna use that. That's actually useful for me. And we have an extra strap. Look at that. Look at that, man. That looks like a panerized strap to me. So let's take that out. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh. What am I doing here? Let me take that out. Let's see. I'm really rough on my. Oh wait, what am I doing? It's this one. There you go. Okay, so we're gonna see and try and apply that. This is PVD gold, so you can have an idea what I'm trying to unbox now. And that's their travel roll. Also very, very useful, guys. Very, very useful. Believe me, because I am always telling you the truth. Here we go. Always telling you the truth. So it's a gold PVD version of the Trecento. Look at that, a massive, massive watch. Massive watch. Okay, I don't even know if it's going to fit my... What was it? I don't even remember when I reviewed it. It is bigger on my wrist. So that's a thing that I have to contend with. Oh, and speaking of contend with, a lot of these stickers. Okay, it's slightly easier to remove. Let's get that out. That out also. Most of that out. Okay. Sorry guys, I have to remove that. Those small stuff. You could see the movement in there. Very, very basic movement. But who am I to complain? The price is really, really good. Even if you buy these are really good, affordable watches from Viqueria. Remember when I made the video, I was giving him a friendly advice, giving Viqueria a friendly advice. As a friend, you need to price your watches a little bit higher, okay? Look at that. Actually, that looks pretty good. I like the PVD coating. I like the. I know it's going to like it's just a plating, so it's going to chip and fade in time. But that green and gold really matches very well. So, well, screw down ground, and of course, we're using a Japanese movement. I'm not really good at remembering serial numbers or model number reference numbers for movements. Oh, and that bezel is a great improvement coming from this Italian, very small Italian brand. Very personal, very small Italian brand. Just try it out. Look at that. Really nice. Quick release spring bars. So let's try that very briefly. Quick release spring bars. Quick release. Always, every time I try and promote these quick release spring bars, they don't quickly release. You know? I don't know. I wonder why. It's because maybe I'm looking at it from the vantage point of the screen. So let's put on. I think it's much more appropriate on the strap. Oops. Yeah, there we go. Oh, very soft. That rubber strap is very soft. Now I can wear it on my hand, on my wrist. Of course, it is oversized because my wrist is small. 6 1/4 for those who always ask. There you go, 6 1/4. Oh, actually, it looks really good. I like it. The black shrinks a little bit of the impression there. And actually, I'm actually enjoying this now. I actually enjoyed this more than the other one. So maybe a follow-up video would come after all. What do you guys think? I'm still interested of what you guys think about this Trecento, the gold-plated version. It's still very cheap. I think it's like what, under $300. This thing is under $300, guys, and this is a GMT, automatic GMT watch. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Let's discuss that, and maybe, you know, those comments we're making in some other video in the near future. Again, that's the Viqueria Trecento PVD gold.